Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create this angel look and dress them dress without a VIP. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, for the hairstyle, you can choose all these hairstyles, and for this one you're going to make it no bangs and you're going to make it gray. And this earring, make it this color. This necklace, make it black, and then this flower crown, make it silver. Okay, and then you're going to put on this gloves, and I'm going to remove the fur. And the next one, put on the sleeves, and you're going to apply this pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to put on this corset, and for this corset I'm going to apply this gray pattern for all the selection guys. And then you're going to put on this corset. You can apply white for the first selection and choose the cool one. Okay, and for the next one, make it white as well, and gray. Okay, and then white. And then we're going to make it glitter, especially for the first selection. Alright, and I'm going to go to the next area, which is right here, and put on this wings. You're going to make it glitter and then apply the silver color or this gray color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the dressing room and put on this Sabrina Carpenter dress and apply this pattern. And for the material, you're going to make it metallic. Okay, and then you're going to put on this axe and make it gray like this, and this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.